Hey guys, I thought I'd do just a quick opening up of this. I ordered it off Amazon the other day. It's the Borgen Tools brake bleeding kit for hydraulic brakes. I haven't got time to do it today because the Carrera rear brake seems very spongy. But I thought I'd have a quick look at this for you guys, so you can see what's in the box. So let's get the camera set down and I'll get the box open. So here we go guys, it's got a nice little catch on it. You've got your user manual, instructions, quite handy, full of information. Got a syringe, what's that go up to, 30 mils. It says for single use, but you can use it again after cleaning it out. Got a little brake block, fits in there, fits in your brake caliper. A nice little cup. It's quite handy, little pouring spout on it as well. Got a little plunger in there as well. Fits in there. Stops your fluid running through. Got a rubber band, that's for holding the bleed block in. A little adapter for the syringe, so that fits in there like that in the end of the syringe. A little bleed tube with a little pinch clip on it, so you pinch that shut to stop your fluid running. That should fit on there nicely. I think that's going to be a bit tight pushing on. It's on there. There you go. Not quite sure what this adapter's for. Oh, I think that's for different brake levers. So if you've got a different fitting, yeah, that is for your little cup, which screws in. Have to be a bit gentle with it because it's only a plastic thread. So that's like an adapter for different brake levers. I'll make sure I've got that O-ring still on there. We've got a 100 mils of mineral fluid, original hydraulic mineral oil, and a little spanner for when you got bleed nipples. You've got a 6 mil and a 7 mil fitting. So yeah, pretty cool little kit. How much was it? I think it was about £20, which isn't bad considering what you get in this. You've got everything there to bleed your hydraulic brakes up on your mountain bike. I haven't got time today, but I will try and get a video done of bleeding the brakes up on the Carrera, and hopefully we'll be successful in making the rear brake a lot better. So this was bought on Amazon. Like I say, Borgen Tools, and it's a bleed kit for MTB disc brakes. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that. I'll say I'll let you know how it all goes when I get time to bleed the brakes up. Anyway, don't forget, hit that like, subscribe button and enjoy riding.